welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be changing the battery in this Citroen flip key remote. Today you're going to need a 2032 battery. These are available in most stores and quite a common one. We'll pop that to one side. We'll pick the key up, just make sure it's exactly the same as yours before we start changing the battery. Okay, we flip it over on its end. Here you need to put a small screwdriver just between the chrome and the plastic edge. You may need to do it on both sides, but we'll see. Just be careful when you hold the key and you're going in with a screwdriver, you don't mark your key or slip. And that went in quite easily there, and as you can see, the back releases away enough so you can get your fingers in there now, and if you just push that down and it releases the back off the key, and that reveals your battery. Your battery is placed in positive side up, and it's hooked in at the bottom here. So if you just carefully get a small screwdriver and flick the battery out, and as I said, there's your positive side. It is labelled positive, that's the smooth side. The negative side has a domed edge. Okay, we'll get the new battery and we'll hook that in at the bottom. Just be careful with all the little metal pins and plastic, and just be lightly, and clips into place nicely. Get the rear of your key and line it up on the back there. Make sure everything's lined up nicely, and then it does just clip back into place. It's a little bit tight going in, and there you go. That's the battery changed on your Citroen flip key remote. I hope that was helpful for you today. Please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.